Yes, people. So if you don't know who that is, that's former dancehall artist Destiny Sparta, and she's now a Christian, right? And if you don't know her music, she used to do music with Tamili. She used to be around, when's the name Sparta, right? But I don't know her correct name right now, because I know when time artists become Christian, they don't really go by them kind of stage name there, nothing like that. But you know, if she ever hear this, just forgive me. You don't know, say that me know you by, but me don't know your real name right now or whatever them, you know what I mean, you want to be called right now. But people, me find a video with her, and she a tell like how she become a Christian, and me never know this. This me just a find out this. You see what I say? Because it's recent though. It's like within the last month from when the video, where she go step on the video. But you know, it's just surprising to me. And this video is not for like try to convert nobody to become Christian or nothing. And she's just telling you her journey. You see me? So me I gonna make you watch it, and then we're gonna discuss it a little bit. All right. So here goes the video.
No, I don't want to be a Christian with force nothing down nobody's throat, because nobody could force nothing upon me until I was ready. The only thing I can do is talk about the love and the mercy of God and share my experience. No, I not go through a thing when I'm depressed for months. Usually I'm a social drinker, recreational drug user, and I find myself in a situation where the man them where they are run bar from, sun people till night come down, not have nothing upon me. When you smell me, you smell a real rummed. I start smoke weed, which I used to smoke weed one long time ago, and I stop, and it reach a point where I'm dependent on it. If I not have the weed, all the stem, the little stem part of weed, I cut up and roll it in a Rizla. If I not have no Rizla, I roll it in a Bible leaf. That's how bad it got, real stocky business. Rum, cigarettes, weed, all day, every day. And me used to take some weight loss pill, fentanyl, and they make me high. And me live upon them, me feed upon them, always jugged up. Now, one night in particular, I decided to say, you know, I'm going to sleep with my mother, and I ask her to play some prayer for me. And she find a Cindy Trim prayer on YouTube, and she played it. And while she was playing it, I find myself, I just go, I saw me behave, and like she think I was having a seizure. To me, what was happening is like one entity inside of me want to come out, but it can't come out. So the next day, I decide to go to church with her. Lo and behold, when I go to church with her now, the pastor had also called me, the first person reach up there, because I know something wrong with me. I've been known that there was something wrong with me. But this time I decided, say, you know what? I go to church and see what go on. Anyway, go up at the altar. From the pastor see me, she had tears in her eyes, and she said, I just want to hug you. She wasn't supposed to lay hands on whatever because of the COVID. So she prayed, and I drop on my butt. Then she walked, because there was a fence there, and she walked come around the fence, and she started praying. Because while she was still praying, when I fall and I dip on my butt, she was still praying, and the thing, whatever was happening to me the night before, it still happened. Me I stiff up. And she come around, and she had pray, and she lay her hands on me, and I remember she had say, loose her! Loose her! She had prayed. She was over me for a while. And when the Bible tells us that the unclean spirit left with a loud cry, no feel no joke thing. I was there, and me just, I had on my mask, and me just, and whatever in me come out, and me just drop on my head back, boom. And my dad I feel weak, but I feel so relieved. And anyway, after that I come home, I have no need, I have no urge for smoke, for drink, nothing, everything, it's gone. Now, certain people now believe in certain things, but let me tell you this. Ephesians 6 verse 12 tell us, say, We wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities, against powers, against the rulers of darkness of this world, against spiritual wickedness in high places. Certain things, very real, but always remember this. Jehovah is there waiting him, having and stretch out, sir, and just a wait for with a hold on to it for help, with a pull we out of any situation that we are going through. So, no care what you are doing in life, always pray, always keep God close, because nobody cannot convince me say God not real, because I've been through a lot. These are just one of them. But 2 weeks after that, me decide, so guess what? May I do the right thing. I'm going to get baptized, which is about a month now. And there's nothing else left in this world right now more than for me to walk with God.
So life
and
set up
give
people,
him
you never
praise.
know what a person a go through. You hear she say she da go through some dark times and she da drink and all these things, you know. And me follow her on Instagram in a them time before she become a Christian, and I couldn't tell her nothing really about her or about her, you know what I mean? Like she look fine to me, she da put out music, she da make her little viral video them and all these things. So me couldn't see say something wrong with her, or I wasn't aware. I'm sure that go for a lot of people and our followers them too. This wasn't like a person who used to come online and break down and say, yo, my problem this or problem that. But from what she explained just now, she did some dark times. She say a pill, she go alcohol, she go drugs and all these things. They see what I say. So we never know people. You know, all like people just checking on the neighbor and checking on the family from time to time, because you never know where a person will go through. But big up Spartan, big up Destiny for this, sorry. You see me? For our transition and our journey, and that's something that she want to do, or that's her calling. So I don't have anything to say personally whether I'm agree with it or not. I'm not gonna say that. You see what I say? But that's so big her up for that. You see me? And it's a good look, people, you know, for changing your life, any kind of change. Like you used to do one thing and then, you know what I mean, I do the totally opposite. That means you figure say, all right, then that now work. And we see this now, a lot of times we see dancehall artists turn Christians. We see a couple, you know, we can think of a couple right off the top. And some of them stay and some of them not stay. But people, I grew up, I was not Christian, but I know a whole heap of people where, you know what I mean, get baptized at an early age and them thing there. And from what I see it and my observation, is not something that is easy to maintain. You see me? And this not nothing to do with Destiny right now. I'm just talking in general. You know what I mean? I have a lot of friends that, you know, when crusade come round, everybody know crusade and them thing. When crusade come round, everybody feel the spirit and want to get baptized and them thing there and then baptized. But, you know, yeah, walk the walk. But she only a month into it, and I wish her the best. And I wish she would just, you know what I mean, hold the faith and do the thing. So big up Destiny, and I guess I can call her Destiny. At the front of the video, I say I never know, I don't know what she want to be called, but maybe Destiny is her real name. I don't know. You see me? So big up Destiny on our journey. I'm a circle her page and she said she take off all of the dancehall thing, and I just pictures of her and video of her, like church related video and pictures, right? And when you hear her story, people, if anybody have a similar story, because I know, you know, Christian, you have Christian will still listen and watch dancehall and then pick and choose. You know what I mean? I remember a while ago when I was on Facebook, there was this lady that came on my live and she said she was a Christian, you know what I mean? But I guess my page is not that hardcore where she couldn't really tune into dancehall, because remember in our music and enjoyment and fun, you know, you see me? So and that don't mean say choose you a Christian, she might not go associate with dancehall, none at all. Remember, she and everybody where used to be friend, I will still be friend. They might not, you know what I mean, be seen in the same places every day, given the circumstances that she's now a Christian. But, you know, your friends are still your friends. But big up Destiny one more time, and everybody out there, take care. You know what I mean? Get in the comment section, leave a comment, and if it's your first time on this channel and you haven't subscribed and you like this video, you watch it all the way to the end, please subscribe for daily updates. For all long-time subscribers, thank you for making the thing work and making the channel still here. So what may I say? Alright, you have a wonderful day, night, or whatever time of day it is, wherever you are.
When would you bless me? Lord, please let me know. I'm and go there hello. One day girls gon' blow. Send the anointing, something we're gon' flow. And go there hello. One day girls gon' blow. So Baba show her your blessing, no. Oh, yeah.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.